77 species in genus Packera. A deep dive into the world of Packera. I've always been fascinated by the diversity of the plant kingdom. The sheer variety of forms, colors, and adaptations never ceases to amaze me. Lately, I've been particularly drawn to the genus Packera, a group of plants in the Asteraceae family, more commonly known as ragworts or groundsels. These often overlooked plants possess a unique beauty and ecological importance that I believe deserves more attention. Understanding the Packera genus. Packera is a relatively large genus, comprising around 77 species. These plants are primarily native to North and Central America, with a few species found in Eurasia. They typically inhabit a variety of habitats, including meadows, woodlands, and alpine regions. One of the defining characteristics of Packera species is their inflorescence, which consists of clusters of small, daisy-like flower heads. These flower heads are usually yellow, but some species may exhibit orange or reddish hues. The leaves of Packera plants are often deeply lobed or divided, and they can vary significantly in shape and size depending on the species. Packera species. The genus Packera boasts a diverse array of species, each with its own unique characteristics and ecological niche. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The ecological role of Packera. Packera species play a crucial role in their respective ecosystems. Their flowers provide a valuable source of nectar and pollen for a variety of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and moths. The seeds of Packera plants are also an important food source for birds and small mammals. Furthermore, some Packera species have been traditionally used for medicinal purposes. For instance, Packera aurea was used by Native Americans to treat a variety of ailments, including skin conditions and respiratory problems. Conservation concerns. While many Packera species are relatively common, some are facing threats due to habitat loss and degradation. For example, Packera antenneriifolia, shale barren ragwort, a species endemic to the shale barrens of the eastern United States, is considered rare and vulnerable due to its restricted habitat. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the continued survival of these valuable plants. Protecting and restoring their natural habitats, as well as raising awareness about their importance, are essential steps in preserving the diversity of the Packera genus. My personal connection to Packera. My interest in Packera stems from a desire to understand the intricate relationships between plants and their environment. I am particularly intrigued by the adaptations that allow Packera species to thrive in a wide range of habitats, from harsh alpine conditions to lush meadows. I believe that by studying and appreciating these often overlooked plants, we can gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and our place within it. I encourage everyone to take a closer look at the Packera plants in their own local ecosystems and marvel at their resilience and beauty.